landforms at different scales and their interactions with exogenic and endogenic processes. Overview. The image provides a visual representation of the intricate relationship between landforms and the processes that shape them. It categorizes landforms and processes into different scales, highlighting how both external, exogenic, and internal, endogenic, forces interact to create the diverse landscapes we observe on Earth. Exogenic processes. Definition. These are external processes driven by forces originating outside the Earth's crust, primarily influenced by climate and biological activity. Examples. Weathering. The breakdown of rocks and minerals at or near the Earth's surface. Erosion. The removal and transport of weathered materials by agents such as water, wind, and ice. Deposition. The accumulation of eroded materials in new locations. Impact on landforms. Exogenic processes shape landforms through processes like fluvial processes, formation of rivers, valleys, and floodplains. Glacial processes, formation of cirques, moraines, and U-shaped valleys. Aeolian processes, creation of dunes and loess deposits. Coastal processes, formation of beaches, cliffs, and deltas. Endogenic processes. Definition. These are internal processes driven by forces originating within the Earth, primarily related to tectonic activity and volcanic activity. Examples. Tectonic uplift, the vertical movement of the Earth's crust. Volcanism, volcanic eruptions that release magma, ash, and gases. Earthquakes, sudden movements of the Earth's crust. Isostasy, the vertical movement of the Earth's crust in response to changes in the weight of overlying material. Impact on landforms. Endogenic processes shape landforms through processes like mountain building, formation of mountain ranges through processes like folding and faulting. Volcanic landforms, creation of volcanoes, lava plateaus, and calderas. Fault scarps, steep cliffs formed by the movement of faults. Landforms and scales. The image classifies landforms into 4 scales based on their size and lifespan. Microscale, small landforms with a short lifespan, such as ripples and pools. Mesoscale, intermediate-sized landforms with a longer lifespan, such as dunes and valleys. Macroscale, large landforms with a long lifespan, such as large river floodplains and ice caps. Megascale, very large landforms with an extremely long lifespan, such as major mountain ranges and continental coastlines. Interactions between exogenic and endogenic processes. The image emphasizes that landforms are shaped by the interplay of both exogenic and endogenic processes. For example, tectonic uplift, endogenic, creates mountains, which are then subjected to erosion, exogenic, over time, forming valleys and other landforms. Volcanic eruptions, endogenic, can create new land, which is then modified by weathering and erosion, exogenic. Glacial erosion, exogenic, can deepen valleys created by tectonic uplift, endogenic. Key takeaways. Landforms are the result of a complex interplay between external and internal forces. The scale of a landform influences the processes that shape it and its lifespan. Exogenic processes tend to wear down landforms, while endogenic processes tend to build them up. In conclusion, the image provides a comprehensive overview of the dynamic relationship between landforms and the processes that shape them. By understanding these interactions, we can better appreciate the diversity and complexity of the Earth's surface